What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. I got a brush set for the car. I have a terrible stain on the driver's seat. I bought some stuff at the auto place and used the brush, tried to scrub it. Nothing is working. I'm hoping that this brush set that you can put on the drill will take out the stain. We're gonna find out right now. Mazda is struggling and I hate it. Man, and I have to go this Friday to get a recall done on the car because it has a fuel pump recall. So I don't want to show up there with a stain on the seat. But man, this boy is dirty. I'm sorry, I think this is just nasty brush stains, bro. Anyway, I got the brush hooked up to the drill and I'm gonna use this cleaner right here because I already have it. I haven't bought anything else. You gotta let it sit for a few seconds after you spray it on, about 15-30 seconds. So, oh, look at that mess. So right now, it's wet, so it's gonna look pretty good. We're gonna come back in probably like 30 minutes or an hour, check on it, see how it's doing. So it looked like it got a lot of it out, to be honest. Up here it's wet because I just did the top here because I forgot about it, but it's been a few hours and I did this side as well. I put a little bit too much, so it's pretty soaked. Use this guy right here. Kind of has two other brushes with an extension, and this is what I sprayed on the seats. Originally, I tried using the scrubber, but it did absolutely nothing. But yeah, looks like this worked out very, very, very well. If you have cloth seats like me, that's gonna be it for this video. If you guys have any questions, there's gonna be links for these things in the description below. I just painted my calipers, by the way, or repainted them gold. They came out pretty sick. Way to change the subject. Anyway, thanks again, guys. If you have any questions, drop a comment, message me on Instagram. I got you. Appreciate y'all. Until next time, I'm just gonna leave this shit out here.